Alright, so we're testing out the Year 10 Season 3 new operator, Denari. He's a defender. He's got these fucking laser gadgets on some Mission Impossible shit. I don't know. I've seen like people play him on TikTok and shit. There's some pretty broken strats from what I've seen, but let's test his ass out. Let's go like this.
Seconds remaining.
Okay. We're gonna go here.
Down to 5 seconds. Op 4 has located a bomb. Be ready for assault. Op 4 has located a bomb. Be ready for hostile action.
Okay, I'm liking this. And we're gonna go. Like that. Okay. And we're gonna go. Shit, 2 more? Fuck. Get me out of here, bro. Just below me? What? What the fuck is... Okay. Hold up. Damn, I missed her. Alright, new game, new me. We need a... Oh. That's my camera. Hey, but don't shoot my cam next time.
You might need some aim training, you fat.
I'm lagging.
4 last stop standing.
It's unplayable. Holy shit. Look at the bottom right of my screen. It's unplayable. Holy fuck. Diffuser. Oh my gosh, bro. What the fuck is my ping? Fuck that shit. I'm not going all the way over there.
Op 4 eliminated.
So dominated.
Friendly mission successful.
He's in there, knock, get him. Bro. 381 ping my fucking ass. Fucking hit my desk so hard it.
The diffuser is no
me out of
longer in
full
your
screen.
possession. One
Hello?
Op 4 remaining. He ropes the bombs.
Alright, let's set up and hop. So yeah, this is a 4-shot shotgun. It's alright, I guess. Okay, we're gonna go like that. Oh, lagging. So each laser does 20 damage, so go like that. Like that. Okay. Cooking now. See that from right
10
there?
seconds to insertion.
Oh, they can't, shit.
5 seconds left.
No way that reaches though, right? Holy shit.
Increase
Wait,
surveillance
wait.
on bomb. Diffuser.
like that. I like that. I like that. Then we do this. And I'm fucking lagging. Oh. This works, this works. Fuck, they're droning. They don't drone me out though. Oh, I would have fired him in the head. Bet I fucking hit fucking 105 ping. Next morning. Day 2, trying this shit. Half in the bag, a little hungover. But it's gonna be a good day.
We need to locate a bomb.
Got my coffee. That was very poorly fucking made. It's not that good, but whatever. We're running a sled shotgun with the Glock with the switch. We're gonna try this shit out. I have not used this gun yet, so we're gonna try it.
You found a bomb. Make your way to its location and defuse it.
Hello, spawn peeking. Just
Shut up, kid.
After an entry store. I'm trying.
Jump through the glass, boy. Holy shit, I suck at this. How many bullets are in this fucking? What?
Four last stop standing.
What? Fucker, dude, that was so close. I'm not gonna lie. First game on, bro. First round. First round of the fucking day. Your boys cooking. Reinforce. Bitch. Yo, what the fuck is your problem?
Yeah, bro, what's your problem, man? I'm gonna go grab bomb.
Yo, I'm sorry, bro.
User has been recovered.
All good, all good. Who's this fucker? Cali,
You
bro?
found a bomb. Make your way to its location.
Damn, I guess he did care.
We call it even now.
Yeah, bro.
I forgive you now.
Hello, why'd you reinforce that wall, bro?
What, green? I'm lagging. Not now, not now.
4 remaining. Relocation.
Hello. Bro, you're not a real person, Denari.
Friendly victorious. Hostiles eliminated.
There's no way you missed all those shots. Yeah, I saw the kill cam. Yeah, holy crap.
Holy shit. Hello? No. Bro, this game's nerfing me. Yo! Am I fucking stuck? What's happening? What the fuck? Yo! Am I just stuck on your screen?
Yo, you good, bro?
I'm trying to Amaru rush, but I can't move. What?
Oh, what the hell?
Yo, someone shoot me in the foot or some shit.
Bomb
My name's
diffusion
Sneaky.
initiated. Protect the diffuser.
Yo, help
Bro.
me! Someone, yo, shoot me in the foot.
No.
Hello?
I think you're just stuck, bro.
What the fuck is this? Bro, this is fucking stupid. I was about to ace too. I can't. What?
Diffuser was disabled. Mission failed.
What the fuck was that?
Been
Into this.
secured.
No way it happens again though, right?
Diffuser.
Bitch. Yeah, heal up, heal up.
Op 4 neutralized. Mission successful. The diffuser has been secured.
Oh my fucking god, that game.
Bomb has been located.
Inside.
Four remaining.
Bro, he's gotta have footprints, right? Come on.
Mission successful. Bomb defused.
Alright. Shit. Come on here.
10 seconds to insertion.
Doesn't link up with anything.
5 seconds to insertion. Bomb locations are secure.
Like that.
Op 4 has located a bomb.
Am I lagging? What kind of teammate am I?
Op 4 last stop standing.
Where's this fucker at? Kitchen.
Friendly victorious. Hostiles eliminated.
Bro. These guys are not real.
One operator remaining. One op
What is
4
this
remaining.
setup?
Op 4 last stop standing.
What the
Op 4
fuck?
eliminated. Mission successful.
Oh, bro, I am my team.
5 seconds. Op 4 has yet to locate a bomb. located a bomb. One Op 4 remaining. Op 4 eliminated. Mission successful.
They must in kitchen hall right now.
Start digging in your butt, twin.
Bitch.
Be advised, Op 4 has located a bomb. You've been spotted. Op 4, last stop standing.
Let me at him.
That's fucked up, bro. Why'd you do that?
Hey, bro, you trying to see for me? I don't hear it.
Nah, didn't I miss, bro? If I wanted to get you, I would have gotten you, bro. That's fucked up.
What a fucking dick.
Yo! What's good, dude?
Shut the fuck up.
Op 4 found a bomb. You must defend it.
Yo, sturdy frog! Yo, sturdy frog!
How'd you get down?
Oh, my bad. You the wrong guy. Damn. God damn it. I thought you were the Cav. Bro, that's bad.
He was.
Op 4, last operator standing. Friendly's victorious. Hostiles eliminated.
Yo, GG's, guys.